Good morning. This leather jacket looks great. How much does it cost?
Good morning, ma'am. This jacket is $120. It's genuine leather and very durable.
$120? That's quite expensive. I've seen similar jackets for much less.
I understand, but this is premium quality. It will last for years.
I agree it looks nice, but the price doesn't fit my budget. Can you offer a discount?
I can give you a small discount. How about $110?
I appreciate that, but $110 is still too high for me. I was thinking more along the lines of $80.
$80 is too low, ma'am. I wouldn't even cover my cost at that price.
All right, I understand your point. But I'm a serious buyer, and I might purchase more items if you give me a good deal.
That sounds fair. If you buy more, I can definitely offer a better price.
Actually, I also like this wallet. How much is this one?
The wallet is $40. It's also made of genuine leather.
Okay, so if I buy both the jacket and the wallet, what's the best price you can give me?
Let me think. For both items, I can offer you $140.
$140? That's still a bit on the higher side. I was hoping for something closer to $110 for both.
$110 is too low for both items, ma'am. But I can reduce it to $130. That's a very reasonable offer.
Okay. I like both items, but I need a better deal. How about we settle at $120?
You drive a hard bargain. All right, I can agree to $125, but that's my final price.
$125 sounds better, but can you include a small discount on future purchases, or maybe a free accessory?
I can include a free keychain with your purchase.
That's a nice gesture. In that case, we have a deal at $125.
Excellent choice, ma'am. I'll pack these items for you.
Thank you. Do you accept credit cards?
Yes, we accept all major cards as well as cash.
Perfect. I'll pay by card.
Here's your bill. Thank you for shopping with us.
Thank you for the great deal. I'll definitely come back again.